Sir, were you spotted in the NAIA terminal with Senator Pato?
Saan po?
At the NAIA terminal, were you spotted with Senator Pato?
Ay, siguro naman po, walang sense naman po. Bakit naman kami magpapakita sa airport pa?
So magkasama nga po talaga kayo.
Magkasama kayo, sir. Yes or no, sir?
Kailan lang po natin yung investigation.
Sir, why wait if you are the the person who were allegedly escorted the senator?
Kailan lang natin, ma'am, yung...
Sir, anong dahilan bakit kailangan maghintay?
Siyempre po kasi may official na investigation.
Sir, but the public wants to
Pagkalang
know.
po yun sa otoridad.
Pero sir, aaminin niyo lang naman o i-deny?
Mas maganda po yung official para... Kasi...
But you're the official because you're the person being accused of escorting him.
Nasa airport po.
Sir, yes or no lang, sir.
Sir, may chance ba?
Kwento pa na yate.
Sir, may chance ba na umalis si Senator Bato sa bansa, sir?
Siyan ba to?
Yan ang mahirap sabihin.
Ano masasabi mo dun sa yate?
Eh sabi po ni... Napanood ko lang naman si paano sabi. Hindi naman totoo. Hindi po totoo yung naya, hindi totoo yung
You were placed
yate.
in the scene at around 3 o'clock daw, Senator Romy.
Wala po yun.
Sir, hindi totoo yung yate? Hindi totoo?
Patungkol sa podcast ni Nessie Hyman sa kanila. Pinagtambal na yun.
Ay, maraming salamat. Asawa ko. Asawa ko yun. Siyempre, lahat gagawin.